Hi, my name is Vanessa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Good Molecules Clarify and Cleanse Bar, which you can use daily in the morning and or evening to properly wash your face, to remove any excess oil, dirt and sweat from the skin, and even light makeup and or sunscreen. Now this cleansing bar is suitable if you have normal to oily skin, as it contains kaolin clay, cacao powder, salicylic acid as well as tea tree leaf extract, which should help us to properly remove any excess oil from the skin surface, to regulate oiliness, to unclog pores, and it also offers some anti-inflammatory properties. And so when using it, you can wash your face above the sink or in the shower, either way is fine, but I'm now going to show you how you can do it above the sink. So this bar of soap needs to be applied to wet skin and then you're going to rinse it off. So when working with water, use ideally lukewarm water to warm water. And so now the first step is going to be wetting your face and hands, and then you're going to take your bar of soap, make it a bit wet, and then rub it between your hands so that it starts to foam up. So once you got enough foam, you can rub it between your hands and then gently massage it all over your face and or neck for about 30 seconds to a minute. Just make sure to not get it into your eyes. So, and once you have massaged it all over, you now can go ahead and properly rinse it off with water. Now when doing this above the sink, you may find it helpful to use a soft clean microfiber washcloth, which you're going to wet, then squeeze it out and then use a damp washcloth to swipe across your face and or neck to properly remove any last traces of your cleanser, sunscreen and or makeup. So you can see that using such a washcloth in between is really helpful to make sure that everything comes properly off the skin, especially along the hairline. And now I recommend rinsing again to make sure that everything is properly off the skin. And now go ahead and take a clean towel and gently pat all over to remove any excess water from the skin surface. So, and once you have pat the skin dry, well then that's already it. And you can stop right here, just use the bar of soap on its own, or you now can continue with your usual morning and or evening skincare routine. Or if you're currently looking for the order of application or what products you can pick, well I have prepared for you a little example skincare routine. So for the morning, after you have properly washed your face with the bar of soap, you can continue with your toner, after that your specific treatments, and then follow with your sunscreen to properly protect the skin throughout the day. As for your evening skincare routine, you can use a bar of soap, or you may want to do a double cleanse depending on the sunscreen and or makeup that you have worn throughout the day. Then continue with your toner or maybe exfoliant, then your treatment, and then lastly, if needed, your moisturizer. So I primarily want to keep the focus on the order of application. Always make sure to choose the skincare products that fit with your skin type as well as the skin concerns. Now if you want to go over the example routine in your own time, it's all in my PowerPoint and I'm going to leave it in the description box down below. There's one little side note that I do want to point out as well when working with your bar of soap, and this is make sure that you're going to store it at a clean and dry place, and make sure to wash your soap holder regularly so that you're not going to grow any bacteria. And that's it. That's what I wanted to share with you in today's video. I do hope that you enjoyed it, that you find it helpful. If you did so, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Please don't forget to give the thumbs up as well as share it with your friends. And if you now want to learn more about skincare, maybe even about Good Molecule skincare products as they are excellent, I'm going to leave some of the videos at the end of this video. Otherwise, feel free to check out my YouTube channel for more content. And I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skincaring. Bye.